Amid current global geopolitical and technological shifts, Russia has announced the development of a new weapon, the Soloist missile. This project carries ambitious goals and promises to be a significant step in the evolution of precision weaponry, combining elements of UAVs and high-precision missiles. Although the missile is still in the prototype stage and undergoing live-fire testing, information is already emerging about the potential for mass production of the missile in the coming months. The Soloist missile is a compact device with a length of approximately 1.2 meters and a weight of up to 20 kilograms. It is launched from a container resembling a mortar system, after which it ascends to an altitude of up to 2 kilometers. During flight, the missile deploys aerodynamic control surfaces, and the operator can steer it while receiving images from an onboard camera. This system effectively functions as television guidance, similar to the control of FPV drones. The warhead of the missile is made up of standard munitions used in the RPG-7 and SPG-9 grenade launchers, with weights ranging from 2 to 5 kilograms. As a result, the Soloist is capable of effectively engaging a variety of targets, including low-altitude aerial vehicles. However, the primary advantage of this missile lies in its ability to strike beyond the line of sight, making it even more versatile. The missile is being developed by Kizlyar Electromechanical Plant, KMZ, a company traditionally specializing in control systems for Sukhoi fighter jets like the Su-27 and Su-30, which adds to the intrigue surrounding this project. Despite the fact that missile development is not the company's usual focus, the project has received support from the technology incubator ANO River Center, suggesting serious plans for further development. It should be noted that the Soloist has already attracted the attention of multiple military units, and according to sources, mass production of the missile may begin as early as this summer. While the concept of missile guidance using a camera is not entirely new, it has been successfully implemented in other countries, such as in Israel's Spike missiles or France's Acheron system. Additionally, Iranian missiles for multiple rocket systems, such as certain versions of the Ababil, use similar guidance technology. In the context of high competition in the field of precision weaponry development, every such step is significant, especially when it comes to creating effective systems capable of striking targets at long distances with minimal deviation. The Soloist is not just a missile, it represents an entire concept of a new approach to warfare using precision weapons, which could change the way long-range strikes are conducted. There are still many tests and improvements ahead, but if everything goes according to plan, this missile could become an important asset for the Russian military, opening new possibilities for achieving strategic goals.